Muscle buff nugget that I am just in love with, and that is just easier, quicker video messaging. And so I have a tool that pretty much, if you have any text box, like I'm in an email, and you want to, text will not do. Like you got to send a video, you want them to see your face, your excitement, and it's just quicker sometimes. Let's be honest. I have a tool called ScreenPal, and it's created by the people at Screencast-O-Matic. If I click on this tool down here, and this is a Chrome extension, and I'll kind of walk you through that here at the very end, I get to choose what I want to share. So I can do camera, screen, both. I'll do both. We also have some fun effects. I call this pizzazz. We're going to do that here in a second. Let's just get this party going. Let's record. I'm going to record the entire screen. So they're going to get everything, just to make life a little more simple for right now. So screen one, entire screen, let's share. A little countdown happens. Hey, it's Brian. And hey, man, I want you to know that thing you've been doing, keep it up. You've got this. Let's go. And then I have the confetti. Boom, watch this. Confetti pops up. Come on, where's the confetti? Confetti. There it goes. Yeah, it took a try, but we're good. We're good. And there's a few other effects there too. So I'm going to stop that sharing. Let's see what happens.
Brian. And hey, man,
I'll hit the check mark. It's going to go into my, oh, it went down here because that's where my cursor was. I should have put it at the top. But look at this. It's actually a GIF. They created a GIF for me. They're preparing the message. And if I send this to somebody, and I wonder if I could just like copy paste this. I bet I can. Watch this. Watch this. Oh my, that's awesome. I'm going to send that to myself just real quick. Let's say test. Let's see what it looks like on the user end. That's me. So they're going to click on this. And they're going to see this little message that I created. And it took me like 2 seconds. Hit play. Play.
Hey, it's Brian. And hey,
where's the confetti? There it is. And we can do comment back and forth. So this is video messaging. It's really made for this specific reason. Let's do another one, Brian. So I'm in a Google Doc, and you just want to give some comments based on certain writings from students. Maybe some grammatical issues or some creativity inserts you want to give them. So right here, like I said, any text box, and I don't see it. Hold, give me a chance. Give me a chance here. So let's say I have something highlighted. I comment. There's my ScreenPal friend. I click that, and the same option appears. So let's do it. Let's do it. So I'm going to do, I'll just do camera. We'll just do camera for this one. I'll start recording. Paste link. Hey, I really love how you opened up this wonderful writing assignment. Keep it up. Pause. I'll check it off. Watch this. I'll hit comment. And it gives the, I think it's a GIF. I don't know for sure, but it's a picture. It's a thumbnail. And so the student will see that and they click on it and it takes them to the video really quickly of me giving them the feedback. So how do you get this? This is through ScreenPal. And that is through the Chrome Web Store. ScreenPal is made by Screencast-O-Matic. It is free. And I think it's a great resource that's very easy to use. With a little practice, you'll be up and at it. So let me know if you really enjoyed this Buff Nugget. Peace out.